Do you want to know how you can change your language on 1xBet? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your language on 1xBet. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC, then open 1xBet.com. Make sure that you log into your account, and then what you need to do to change your language is go to your right hand side. You can see the English option, click on it, and you can see these are some of the languages provided by 1xBet. You can click on any of these languages, the page will reload itself, and then your language will be changed. Wait for a while, and then your overall display will be changed. So you can see it has been turned into Bangladesh. Now to change it back to English, go ahead and click on here and then search for English and click on English once again. Then the page will reload and your language will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.